Hey, it's Tiff here. I'm going to show you how to make BBC Good Foods pumpkin soup. There are two things you need to think about. One, you need a really good pumpkin or squash with plenty of flavor. And two, a good, strong stock. You will also be toasting some pumpkin seeds that you can sprinkle on as garnish. Don't forget to save some extras for you to snack on.